Hola de nuevo, soy Laura. Welcome back to our Spanish video series.
Hola Laura, ¿qué tal?
Hola Silvia, ¿te apetece comer algo? Would you like something to eat?
It looks delicious. Perhaps a bit later. Mejor un poco de agua.
¿La quieres con limón?
No, gracias. La prefiero sola.
Here you are.
Gracias, Laura.
De nada.
Today we will look at how and where to use direct object pronouns effectively to substitute things or objects in a sentence. For instance, if you go into a clothes shop looking for jackets and you say, quisiera ver una chaqueta, the shop assistant may reply, ¿de qué color la quieres? Or, ¿de qué estilo la quieres? You will notice that the object or thing you are asking for has been omitted in the response and substituted by la. The jacket is the direct object in that sentence, that is, the thing that gets the action of the verb directly. Like in English, these direct objects are common with verbs such as tener, to have, querer, to want, comer, to eat, comprar, to buy, and so on. The thing that we have, we want, we eat, and we buy is the direct object.
So, what do these pronouns do?
Well, the substitute and noun already mentioned are known by both speakers and are useful to avoid repetition. For instance, if someone asks you, ¿ves mucho la televisión? You may reply, solo la veo cuando tengo tiempo. It's all about the economy of language. Same meaning, shorter sentence. This would be the same in English, where it and them are used in sentences to make substitutions.
The crucial difference between English and Spanish is the order of the direct object pronoun in the sentence. There are two key aspects you must bear in mind when using them. First is the gender and number of the thing being substituted. Let's have a look at the following table to see how it works. If you are referring to a masculine singular noun like vestido, dress, we'll use lo. If you are referring to a feminine singular noun like camisa, shirt, we'll use la. If you are referring to a masculine plural noun like zapatos, shoes, we'll use los. And finally, if you are referring to a feminine plural noun like camisetas, t-shirts, we'll use las.
Second is the position of the direct object pronoun. This is where it gets tricky, as it does not follow the English pattern. In Spanish, it comes immediately before the conjugated verb, so it feels as if you were talking backwards. Let's have a look.
Quiero una camisa. La quiero de manga corta. Quiero comprar unos pantalones. Los quiero azules. Necesito un bolso. No lo quiero muy grande.
Notice how you need to say the direct object pronoun before you actually use the verb, and that it comes after the negative particle no. It's not no quiero lo, I don't want it, but no lo quiero, I not it want. Remember that once you substitute the noun with either lo, la, los, las, there is no need to repeat that word.
Las almendras? Las quiero probar. The almonds? I'd like to try them. Los zapatos? No los quiero comprar. The shoes? I don't want to buy them. That's all for now. Hope this has made it easier to understand direct object pronouns in Spanish. See you in the next video!
And now for some tapas.